you want abs like this, they are made in the kitchen. Booty is made in the gym, but I do inhale those calories to get that booty. But I'm gonna show you this healthy recipe that I found. It's called banana bread cottage cheese pancakes, and it's freaking amazing. About to show you how to make it, super easy. Take your mixing bowl, banana, cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 egg. Baking soda, pinch of salt, dark chocolate. Of course, I'm gonna add more because I love dark chocolate. And you just mix it in the bowl. Already smells good. Then you top it with yogurt, honey, peanut butter if you like, and blueberries. And here we go. Oh, look at those chocolate chunks too. Guys, I'm obsessed with these pancakes. Obsessed.